Order anything you want with Glovo and it will be delivered in minutes. You can order from any restaurant in your city or any supermarket and shop. Let's see how to install the Glovo app on Android. First, we need to go to Google Play. So open Google Play. On the search above, write Glovo. Now tap on Search. After you have found the app, just tap on Install and wait. You have now installed Glovo on your Android device. Just tap Open. Now tap on Share Location. Here tap Allow Glovo to access this device location. Now let's go see the Glovo presentation. Tap on Next. Tap Next. Tap Continue. Here you can log in with Facebook or create a new account. Let me log in with Facebook. Tap on Continue and Register. Now your phone is verified by Glovo. Wait to receive a message. Write the code. Your new account is ready to order anything. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.